Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Hope you can hear me this time. So, what we're going to start working on today is the doghouse. I bought some concrete, I got it sitting here on the tractor, and I made up some wire braces. They're kind of like sheets and stuff that you can put down in the holes where the rebar is not. I got my Harbor Freight cement mixer. It does have one little issue, but it's no big deal. We can work through it. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you can see how this build's going to go. Okay, so first of all, this is wire fencing, welded wire, nothing too fancy. I got them down holes where the rebar's not. So we're just going to slide this thing down in here. So it drops all the way down. Now, I got 5 bags of concrete at the store today. I'm not sure how far it's going to go, but this is a good start. So what we need to do is take this bonding agent, we can get it started here, get it down in the hole. We're going to start with, funny how things don't work the way you want it. There we go. I want to start with these first. You know, what happens when you leave stuff sit. I'm going to pour a little bit down there. Need to get it down on the concrete slab part. I'll have to clean this out later. I guess leaving it in there clogged it up. So, let me get the cement mixer going. Now I squirt some water down in there first. I'm using Quikrete high strength concrete mix. Now, like I said before, there's something a little evil wrong with my mixer, so when I turn it on, I have to give it a spin. Okay, so we got it fairly well mixed up. fun part is getting it in the bucket without getting it all over the place. Like that. Okay. So now, we're going to take it over and I'm going to pour it into the first hole. The reason I put it in the bucket is real easy to move. Okay. Now, there's something I want to show you. I'm not sure if it'll work or not, but we're going to find out. I'll be right back. Okay. I read and seen it work that you can even use the sander as a vibrator. Let's see how well it works. Well, we tested that, and that's pretty much a fail. Okay, so we're just going to go back to what we were doing. I mixed up the concrete. There should be thin enough to get down in there. Let me get this thing to spinning a little bit so nothing sits up. I'm going to get me a trowel and trowel that out. Okay. As you see, got a lot of it filled in, and then good for about 3 bags so far. Looking pretty good. More concrete. Okay, that is going to finish this video out. I just barely had enough here. I'm going to let a lot of the stuff sit up and see what it looks like. But anyways, I didn't think 5 bags going to do it. I'm surprised that he did it in 4 bags. You be quiet. So, thank you for watching my channel. We're going to clean this mess up and go inside. So, hope to see you next time here on Lynn's Homestead. You have a great day and God bless.